Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to remove background in CapCut. Now first you just have to open your CapCut here and then you have to import the pictures that you're going to use for editing. So this one, we have to tap this import, and these are the pictures that I wanted to use to show you how to remove background here in CapCut. So let me tap and drag this picture right here because we're going to delete the background of this picture. Tap the picture, and then what you want to do is just simply go to cut out, then tap this auto cut out right here. Only human figuration can be cut out. And as you can see, that's it. That's how easy it is to remove the background. Now, if you want to add a background, you just have to tap the background and drag it below the picture, or you have to put this picture above, then you will see this result. You can resize the background picture. Now, if you want to highlight the main character or the human figure right here, what you want to do is to simply tap this background image and then go to video. Now you have to tap basic and scroll down. You have to simply go to opacity and decrease its opacity. Okay, as you can see here, we have highlighted the human figure and all you have to do is to export. Now, what if you don't have this AutoCAD feature on your CapCut? So what you want to do is simply go and look for an image with a green background and then go to cut out. Now you have to tap this home key, click this pencil icon, point this to the green background, and then increase the strength, and that's it. You have removed the background. And then same thing, you have to drag the picture if you want to set this as your background and then put this main picture above. And this is what it looks like. Change the opacity or decrease the opacity if you want the picture to be the highlight of this image right here. So this is the result. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.